Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, but my personal opinion. Let's take a look at the markets. Dow Jones plunges further. So does the SPY. IWM is at the level. I don't know how much I like this level, if I like it at all. But it came to, and I don't like this level on monthly that much either. So those are all the levels that I don't like. It's a very significant drop below the T1, and there's nothing that looks like an exhaustion yet. Uh, um, Qs, yeah, market drops. The only thing that doesn't want to drop is DT midstream. I'm short on. Um, Fjord, magnet, positive. Intel, Guild. Didn't take it because it was weird. And that needed a test, nothing on 5 minutes. And now look at it. Caterpillar. Yeah, good thing for not taking this trade. Even though it was right there. You see how arbitrary it is. How arbitrary it is. And now it's like far below 0.5. Volume distribution is not long. I think considering the general sentiment of the market. Hmm. It's there now at the level. Interesting. It respected the supporting bar level and went up. And went up. You see the trade beyond the range of time frame is always like a come see come side idea. Um, I couldn't take it. ADP, Nvidia. Well, technically it's at the level, but in reality, in all the reality. Hmm. In all the reality. It's out of my inquisitiveness. I'm gonna like because those are the rare moments of the market where we are at the significant levels, and it's my job to keep an eye on them. And also, it's a good exercise to um, watch the levels and not to take an action. Uh, yeah, this level is nonsensical. Good job not taking this trade. This thing grinds higher. Yeah, you see two quick trades were here and then don't touch it. This 0.5 was not a good idea. And then we have boom drop. So 5 minutes and 1 hour. So trades that were there for me, one and two. Didn't take either the same way I didn't take Caterpillar. No, yeah. But like here it was messy. I agree. But there was no excuse not to take BHP. It's gone now. It's gone and done. Raspatsky is there at the level. Test didn't hold. Went higher. Bum bum. That needs levels. Brutal, brutal, brutal. Brutal, brutal, brutal. And then boom. 5 minutes does a joke on us. Invites us to uh, give market its money. And by the way, look how it played out. Test level, volume top thrust. That was like too low for an entry, considering where we are, only within the range. So that's the TCM. That was not a level. This will be a level. So what can you do? That was on volume top thrust to begin with. So I didn't think so. Oklo. I like the name Oklo. Oklo Incorporated. Good. Good job not taking the straight. That would have probably worked for 2R, but didn't give us a test. Oh, wait. Oklo. Yeah, continuation of the trend. That's interesting. Because that's the supporting bar level. That's counter trend. And it does this. So it has to calm down now. Another trade I didn't take. Up thrust to our strong approach needed a test. So the guild also not the biggest. Yeah, so they're equal. PM grinds higher. Wake me up when it's 0.5. ZTS. This guy just goes. Yeah, that needs a transition extreme for sure. Boom, good job not taking this trade. See again. The it's like too far beyond the range. So you see, I was right 2 months ago not taking trades like this. Doesn't matter. Just too far beyond the range. It could have market could have started correcting easily back then. We still don't need a close manipulation signal, but it's all. So, and it's Friday also, don't forget. We are in the Friday mood. Look what happened here. A volume up thrust. A volume top thrust, and now it's a test. Yeah, it has another hour. So, but technically, yeah. And it's not the biggest volume, but I did a test. So it was good after here. Not gonna touch it. Not on Friday. Let's see our biggest losers, gainers. Why am I not even? Yeah, after this volume move. Market is red. Irene. It's like a planet parade for Irene. However, again, so high. So high. Yeah, I think this probably is gonna work out. But don't touch it. Irene is there. Boom. Where are we? Yeah, right there. I'm super skeptical about this supporting bar on monthly. Look at it. There's no spread. Um, exhaustion volume. So no, 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 no. That should be only traded through transition extremum. Yeah. Mm. So Ionic is the wrong place on annual level. Same deal here. That way, this level upthrust, more upthrust. Yeah, only through transition extremum. It also looks like um, matching levels, but we're not gonna touch it like this. Yeah, you see? No way. Too many stocks I have open already. And do you notice how similar they look in essence? Even such diversified and dense market like American stock market is somewhat similar. Well, of course, I group similar stocks because I have like I apply the same system to them, so that's no surprise that I tend to pay attention to stocks that are in similar places on their price. Why do I not see this? Okay. Mm. Looks nice. It's just doesn't look bad. No, no, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Be consistent. Okay, we have opened this thing. Oracle goes lower. Bam. They're far beyond. But the problem is also it's not a short wave. They don't get born like this. 90% retraction, 110% retraction. So, no. Guilt is already there. It's now far. That was a trade. That was choppy AF and unvolumed. So, no. No regrets. Absolutely no regrets. Why do I have these levels? No. That might have been the level. Boom. It could have started falling here, no problem. Without a real stop, it doesn't make sense. Okay, let's see the gainers, and I'm gonna let you go. Not so many, huh? Oh, here comes the sun. Dun, 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 dun. That would be good in continuation of the trend, however, so high. But yeah. Look at this guy. At least here locally. Here comes the sun. Ba-bam, ba-bam. Starbucks? I gave up on Starbucks a long time ago. I think that's it. We have some powerful moves on the market today. And it's Friday, so that's a good volume. Right there on daily. On the hour. I got volume. That was on volume spring. So shell made it smooth. Um, that's our transitioning Chrome. But look at this break. Like, come on, really. In all the reality. What can I do about it? I'm not suicidal. Just wanted my piece of pie, and technically it's going to be good after a test, but practically not going to touch it. And practically I'm not going to touch it. And look at this break. And volume is all above us. Um, it's break below. And a powerful break. Look how powerful it is. So also look at all this. These powerful breaks. Yeah. Look at all these powerful breaks. What's this? Oh, and it's a break. Yeah, it's a break. Irene can go. And this is more like it. You know what I mean? On our at least. Look at this tail. Uh, same. Market all across. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. Start my morning rituals. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people, such as myself. Look, the entire market goes down, but my things go up. Just goes up. Just goes up. Yay. Anyhow, take care.